All right, let's dive right into this explainer. We're going to see exactly how BizByTech is completely transforming the way businesses scale and operate today. You know, we hear the word automation thrown around so much lately, but we rarely get to peek under the hood and discover the actual architecture making it happen. Well, today we are looking at the concrete, outcomes-driven solutions built by BizByTech, which is an AI automation and software development agency based in Indore, India. We're going to explore how they take businesses from these manual, slow, and expensive workflows straight into the era of highly intelligent, automated ecosystems.
Now think about this massive pain point for a second. That crushing 4 to 6% of top-line revenue that just gets lost to traditional marketing agencies. To put that into perspective from the source material, if you're a real estate developer managing a 150 crore project, that traditional agency fee means you're handing over up to 6 crores just for lead generation and follow-ups. That is a massive chunk of your potential profit eaten up by manual human overhead. BizByTech identified this exact financial drain and brilliantly engineered a way to bypass it completely.
So, here's our menu of services for today to really prove this ROI. We'll cover revolutionizing sales and leads, smarter operations and finance, innovative niche AI solutions, custom workflows for anyone, and we'll wrap up with the BizByTech advantage. Kicking things off with Section 1, Revolutionizing Sales and Leads, specifically focusing on Get My Client and AI Lead Finder. Let's look at how BizByTech tackles the ultimate business lifeline, customer acquisition. Because, let's be honest, if you can't efficiently capture and convert leads, everything else is just background noise.
This brilliantly illustrates what they call the Get My Client pipeline. We're talking about an AI voice employee system that effortlessly handles up to 1,000 calls a day to ensure absolutely no lead is left behind. Picture this. When a prospect calls a number on a billboard, the AI intercepts it with sub-second latency. It instantly triggers a rich media WhatsApp message with project details. But here is the real magic. During the conversation, the AI actually classifies the caller's intent. Are they an end user or an investor? If they're a perfect fit, boom, they get pushed to your primary CRM. But if their budget doesn't match your project, the AI doesn't just abandon the lead. Instead, it acts as a zero-waste engine, automatically routing that lead out to an external network of trusted brokers to monetize the data.
So here's the really crucial point. Unlike human employees who can take up to 18 months to train and then might just leave with your business secrets, this AI securely learns your laws, your policies, and your negotiation tactics forever. Think about that traditional training cycle. You spend 6 months teaching an employee how to talk to people, 6 months on objection handling, and another 6 months teaching them complex real estate regulations like RERA. Then they quit and go to your competitor. BizByTech's AI agents ingest your entire knowledge base in a fraction of the time, and they never, ever forget a detail.
Building right on that, their AI Lead Finder completely automates lead prospecting. This is an absolute game changer for B2B outreach. Instead of your team manually searching Google Maps or JustDial, this system uses tools like Apify and Tavily to scrape thousands of business profiles. It runs them through an NN workflow to filter out duplicates, pre-generates personalized cold emails and WhatsApp messages, and then, this is the truly brilliant part, an AI logistics agent organizes the best prospects into a structured day-trip driving plan. It lays out the exact physical route your field agents should drive that day.
Moving to Section 2. Smarter operations and finance, looking at simple bill and complete jewelry management. Because hey, generating revenue is great, but protecting it through smart back-office operations is where businesses actually survive.
When you compare error-prone manual ledgers to BizByTech's automated systems, upgrading your operations honestly feels like an absolute no-brainer. For decades, industries like local agriculture mandis and small pawnbrokers have relied on the traditional bahi khata, literally a physical notebook. It's prone to human error, disputes, and lost data. BizByTech replaces this with mobile-first, offline-friendly systems that respect how these businesses already operate, but turbocharge them with digital reliability.
For example, look at the complete jewelry business management system. It seamlessly handles complex metrics like gross and net weight, while actively chasing down missed payments right via WhatsApp. If you run a small jewelry or gold loan shop, calculating the fine weight of a gold piece, factoring in the alloy, the stones, the purity is incredibly tedious. BizByTech's Jewel-to-Loan software automates this entire interest calculation engine. And even better, it acts as a digital debt collector, automatically pinging customers on WhatsApp the moment their loan payment is due.
Meanwhile, Simple Bill cuts out all the bloat of traditional ERPs. It gives offline-first retail shops an incredibly fast, user-friendly way to manage their inventory and invoicing. Because let's face it, not every local hardware store or Kirana shop needs a massive, overly complex enterprise system. Simple Bill provides exactly what they need: quick GST invoice generation, expense tracking, and the ability to work smoothly even in Tier 2 or Tier 3 cities where internet connectivity might occasionally drop out.
Next up, Section 3, Innovative Niche AI Solutions, highlighting Investor MRI and Kinderbook. Let's explore how BizByTech targets some very specific, unique workflow bottlenecks. They aren't just building general software, they are crafting highly targeted solutions.
I absolutely love this one. Investor MRI saves venture capitalists and angel investors hours of manual spreadsheet work by instantly identifying hidden portfolio vulnerabilities. An investor just uploads their CDSL or NSDL statement, and the AI extracts all their holdings, mapping out the mutual funds, stocks, and ETFs. It performs a complete diagnostic scan, literally an MRI for your money, to tell you if you're over-concentrated in one sector or if your funds have too much hidden overlap. It turns basic tracking into active, intelligent optimization.
On a lighter note, Kinderbook really showcases their creative AI flexibility. It instantly generates personalized, unique educational books for children. Imagine just taking a few photos of a child, inputting their favorite hobbies, and boom, the AI instantly generates a fully customized coloring book or storybook. It's a brilliant consumer application of AI image and text generation, perfectly designed for parents and preschools looking for truly unique educational gifts.
Moving into Section 4. Custom workflows for anyone, or any business automation. Now, what if your business doesn't fit into a standard box? What if you run a dental clinic, a local salon, or a unique manufacturing plant?
Well, with any business automation, BizByTech basically acts as your bespoke growth partner. They deploy custom N8N workflows that connect hundreds of your favorite apps to automate things like customer support and HR. They build entirely done-for-you ecosystems. If you own a salon, they can build an AI agent that sits in your Instagram DMs, answers FAQs 24/7, and automatically books appointments straight into your calendar. They are effectively giving small, local businesses the kind of powerful tech infrastructure that used to be reserved exclusively for massive corporations.
Finally, Section 5, the BizByTech Advantage, real ROI. Let's look at the actual bottom line here, why this matters for your specific bank account. Because at the end of the day, automation is only valuable if it severely undercuts your existing operational costs while boosting your overall output.
The sheer cost-effectiveness of BizByTech is honestly staggering. You are trading millions in bloated commissions for a flat, transparent setup fee. Returning to that 150 crore real estate project example we discussed at the start, a traditional agency would demand 3 to 6 crores in setup and commission fees. BizByTech approaches this by charging a pure development cost of just 2 lakhs for the initial blueprinting and setup of the AI platform. You are literally saving millions in upfront capital. And beyond that setup fee, the estimated monthly operational cost to run an entire 24/7 AI sales workforce on BizByTech's dual VPS architecture is incredibly low. We're talking just under 40,000 rupees a month. That is less than the salary of a single mid-level human executive. And for that, you get a tireless AI system covering your telecom fees, API tokens, and server hosting. Plus, BizByTech's monthly retainer model ensures the system is constantly monitored and fine-tuned to handle any new customer objections. Furthermore, because everything is isolated right on your own ecosystem, you get zero data leakage. You never have to worry about your business secrets walking out the door to a competitor again. The architecture they deploy ensures that your leads, your internal RDRA compliance data, and your unique sales pitches are kept entirely within a private, on-premise, or secure cloud environment. No sharing data with public models. It is a completely sealed vault for your most valuable assets.
So I'll leave you with this thought to really chew on for your own operations. If BizByTech can replace your most expensive manual overhead with a tireless 24/7 AI workforce, why are you still paying for the boring? It's time to stop managing tasks and start scaling outcomes. BizByTech has proven that whether you need an AI voice agent to juggle 1,000 daily phone calls, a smart billing app for your retail store, or a bespoke integration for your clinic, the technology is here, it is remarkably affordable, and it is incredibly effective. The automation imperative isn't the future anymore, it's right now.